Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is my first video that I am filming here in a new country. So if you don't know already, I moved to Australia and it is a giant thing to do. I had lots of things to do, so I wasn't on YouTube. I didn't have a lot of time to edit and all of that, so I am very sorry, but now I'm back and I'm hoping that I could do this more regularly. I'm sorry about the setup also, it's a little dark. I'm still playing around with things and maybe next time it will be different. So I apologize for any issues with filming right now, but today I'm going to show you our new releases. This should be up by the time you're watching this, and this collection is called Book Lovers because it is all about books. I'm kind of feeling that vibe right now because I did start uni the other week. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so first I wanted to show you the Deco Sheet. So come on, lift. It don't want. Okay, fine. So the Deco Sheet looks like this. So the collection is called Book Lover and it's all about the love for books. So our Deco Sheet is meant to be a complimentary sheet with the entire collection. You can get a few of these or just one sheet and it will work with anything or any kit that is from the same collection. And this one is always going to be on matte paper. It is not available in glossy, because it's just deco anyways. And this is what it looks like. So those are pretty small stickers that could fit your Hobonichi Weeks A6, which means the original, or even the Hobonichi cousin. So first I'm going to get started with this stash of stickers here, and these are meant to be for the Hobonichi Weeks. I don't have my planner right now next to me, so I'll make sure to add a link to my Instagram where you can see all of the spreads that I do in my Hobonichi Weeks. So this kit is our Hobonichi regular weeks kits. So let me pull them one by one. And they have, or it has 2 pages. And the second sheet has your bottom bars. The other one is highly decorative and it sits in the right side most of the time for me. And this one is for the left side of the page, and then you have headers down at the bottom, and then over here you have your script stickers, and then on the first page you have your date covers, your decorative strip, a bunch of individually cut checklist boxes, and individually cut square boxes or blank boxes. So this is called Listening to Stories, and the theme for this, if I could do this really quickly, is if you'd like to listen to stories as well as read them. Oh, what's happening? Sorry. Okay, here you go. So it says, impossible comes true, it's taken over you. So if you are familiar with this line, it is from a song from the soundtrack of The Greatest Showman, because when I was designing this, I had that on repeat. And then we also have, so that was in matte sticker paper. The matte sticker paper in our shop is best for felt tips, ballpoints, as well as gel pens. And then this next kit is also in matte paper. It's called Personal Space. And this is what the bottom bar looks like. And it's a scene of like a reading nook in a small library setup. And then it says, dreams are made here. There you go. The colors of this is really very fall appropriate, but it will work for any time as well. The colors are a little bit on the dark side. So this one is printed in our glossy cream paper. Our glossy cream paper is fountain pen friendly and it is very thin, and I really made sure to pick a really good paper that would go well with the Tomoe River paper, which is what the Hobonichi Weeks uses. So this is called Design Your World. And the bottom bar for the right side of the page looks like that. It says creativity, and that's a little fountain pen. And you have inks over here. And I think that is for the very creative of us. Next, I also have this in glossy cream paper. This is called Hers for the Reading. It has several options. This is option C. I think it has 3 options. And then it's a girl who's reading. Look at that pretty book cover. And this one says the world was hers for the reading. So the different options will give you options for the girl's skin tone and hair color. So just pick the one that you would like. The light is shifting, I'm sorry. Next we have Penmanship. Penmanship has this pretty grid paper. Well, pretty grid paper background. And then we have a little notebook with that pen, and I believe that is a candle. And this comes in option A and B. The other option, I have it here as well. This is the other Penmanship, and A is in brown, and then B is in blue, so depending on what you would like. It's very cold here, so my hands are a little shaky. Next we have Book Dreams, and this is also in cream sticker paper, and the bottom bar says A Book is a Dream That You Hold in Your Hand by Neil Gaiman. I don't know which book that is. I'm familiar with Neil Gaiman's work, but mostly I'm more of a fan of his best friend, who is the late Sir Terry Pratchett. I do not talk about him much because it still breaks my heart that he is no longer with us to create magic. This is also something that is an ode to him as well. And then next we have A Million Worlds. So the bottom bar looks like this. You can't really see the writing on the page. So it comes in 3 options. You also have differences in skin tone, but the nail polish, I believe it's the same. So it's still going to be green that matches the kit. Actually matches the collection. And last we have Typewritten. If you can tell, the vibe of this kit is still very retro, very vintage. Although it has a lot of modern elements to it. The artwork is very modern, but it has a hint of vintage if you are into that. This one is printed in matte sticker paper, and the bottom bar looks like this. And it says here, why don't we rewrite the stars? Also from The Greatest Showman. So those are all the kits that are for the Hobonichi Weeks regular. We also have another set here. It is also for the Hobonichi Weeks, but this one is just a single page. It's for those who do not want to use a lot of stickers in their spread. I'm gonna keep it like this because it doesn't fit the camera. Well, not the camera, the iPad. But so this comes with a lot of the stickers that you see in the regular kits that we offer, except that this one is only 1 page, so only the essentials remain here. You still have your date covers, your decorative strip, your boxes, the checklist, and the blank ones. You have your bottom bars that are much smaller. Well, not really much smaller, but they are of the same dimension. They can fit both the right and the left, depending on what you would like. And at the bottom, you have your headers. So this one is the Hers for the Reading Essentials. That's in matte sticker paper. We have Listening to Stories. That's what the bottom bar looks like. And then we also have Penmanship. So the essentials do not have options. Well, basically what you see is what you get. But you do get a lot of options in terms of the different kits that you could get. So this is Penmanship. This is in matte sticker paper. This is A Million Worlds Essentials version that is in cream sticker paper. Cream glossy. The matte is not in cream paper. It's actually very white. It's bleached white. Oh my gosh. Personal space. It says dreams are made here, just like the regular weeks. We also have Typewritten, also in glossy cream. And then we have, so the back of the glossy cream looks like this. Okay, here we go. We have Book Dreams. We have Design Your World. And I think that's it, sorry. There you go. And then I don't have any of the A6, but I do have the cousin because I have a cousin. I brought it with me, of course. So I only brought my Hobonichi cousin and my weeks, 2 of my Hobonichi weeks. So our Hobonichi cousin comes in 2 formats. This one is in the hourly format. This is called Book Lover after the collection, and this is the first page. and you also get your second page. Oh, sorry. So your headers, or no, not headers, but your date strip already includes boxes for you to write down maybe priorities or top 3 things to do, important events for that day. And then you also have your sidebar stickers that you can build. And then these are time header stickers that you can use in the weekly pages of the Hobonichi cousin. And they are short enough so that it doesn't cover the time. So you can actually see the time written down on the planner. So the hourly version doesn't allow you to cover the time, but you can if you'd like to. So the bottom bars are also different because this one is giant. It is grid. Here, all of the bottom bars are for the hourly are grid. And then you also have this that covers the black dates or month portion at the side or the corner, the left-hand corner of the Hobonichi cousin. So here you have a bunch of headers, well, script stickers, 7 to-dos, and then you also have the weekend banner or script sticker, and then these are the decos that come with the kit, and this is in cream paper. And then lastly, I want to show you this is not arranged right. So this is the vertical version. The vertical version is more like an Erin Condren in terms of the boxes. So you get boxes, decorative boxes, blank boxes. You have your header here. The other one is in the other page. And then this is a bunch of strips, tiny or thin strips that can be used to cover up the time on the weekly pages. And then you also get the second page. So this is the other date cover. These 2 big strips down here are your bottom bars, and it is pretty. As I mentioned, the colors are very vintage feeling, but at the same time it has a lot of modern elements in terms of the art that I chose. The colors are the only ones that's really actually vintage like. So this is your sidebar, and this is the decorative sidebar sticker that you also get. So that is the cousin, and those are all of the stickers that we have that will be live for July 2019 week 2 releases. And I think there are 8 kits here right now, and that is available for you guys at 10% off if you buy from the date of release until I believe Wednesday or Tuesday, depending on where you live. Just check out paperjoyph.com. The front page will always tell you up until what time the discount, the automatic discount, will be live. Okay, I'm a little out of breath. I don't know why. I'm a little nervous filming, but thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want some more planning videos, please subscribe to my channel and also follow us on our social media. We have Instagram and Facebook as paperjoyph, and our Facebook group is paperjoyph Planning World. And there will be no new releases for next week. That will be the weekend of the 20th, because we are now preparing for one of our giant sales for our shop. We have 2 major sales in our shop. We have Black Friday sale and our Christmas in July. So watch out for Christmas in July if you are going to get a brand new Hobonichi in September. It is a very good time to join our Christmas in July sale because everything will be at a discount. Either listings will be discounted, automatic discounts apply, and or there will be a code for you guys, and of course there will be awesome freebies. I just finished designing a few of the collections, and you guys, it is so stunning. We are coming out with our fall releases, so everything fall will come to the shop at our Christmas in July sale. So watch out for that, and I'll make a separate video about that. And maybe one day I will get down to talking to you about how I moved here, what I did, why am I here, what's gonna happen to the shop, etc. So that's it for us today, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye-bye!